everybody, Natalie with SYS here, and on this Tech Tip Tuesday video, we're going to go over how to observe multiple students in your Observer account. Let's dive in.
It can be difficult to manage your Observer account when you are observing a large number of students. Canvas displays all of your students' classes on the dashboard and calendar together instead of making a new calendar view for each student. So sometimes it can be difficult to tell which class corresponds to which students. Luckily, there are some things that you can do to manage a large number of students more efficiently. First off, you can check who you're observing. To do so, click on Account and then Observing. Here you will see the screen with a list of the students you are observing. Next, you can manage the courses on your dashboard. To manage which courses show up on your dashboard, click on Courses on the left sidebar and then All Courses. You will see a list of courses that you are enrolled in as an observer. Star the ones that you want to appear on your dashboard. You can have up to 21 courses on your dashboard. From there, you can color code, nickname, and arrange your courses. When you go to your dashboard, you will see course cards for each course. The courses you've starred will appear here. If you haven't starred any courses, you will see the first 10 courses you enrolled in. You can change the color of a course by clicking the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the course card and picking from the available colors. Then click Apply. Changing the color of a course changes both its overlay color and the text color of the course name. We recommend color coding your courses so that one color corresponds with each student. You can also add a nickname for the course, and only you will see this. You can move the course by switching to the Move tab and selecting which direction you want to move the course in. Courses can also be moved by clicking and dragging them to a new location. Now we're going to look into managing your calendar. The colors and course nicknames you set on the dashboard will apply everywhere in your Canvas Observer account, including the calendar and the Canvas inbox. Let's check out the calendar. Note that you will have your own calendar at the top of the list, which should be blank. You can hide it or leave it visible. Canvas currently limits the number of course calendars visible to 10, but you can subscribe to the calendar feed with Google Calendar as a workaround for this. Now we'll look into managing your inbox. Setting nicknames for your courses will be extremely helpful for using the Canvas inbox feature. We recommend setting a nickname that tells you which student is in the course and what the course is. Again, like I used for one of my test users, you'll find Natalie F here. And that's all there is to it.
Alright, I hope all of that was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And we'll catch you next time on our next Tech Tip Tuesday video. Have a good one.